Welcome back to Brainsleller. Can you guess 50 countries by their monuments? Are you ready to take on this new challenge? Before starting, please subscribe our channel for more exciting quizzes. And now let's get started. Guess the first country. Germany, France, or Italy? France! It's Eiffel Tower. Do you recognize this place? United States. Well done. Guess the country. Mexico, Brazil, or Argentina? Brazil is correct. Yes, it's in Italy. Australia, Ireland, or UK? UK is correct. Guess the country. China. China, India, or Russia? India. Good job. Peru, Chile, or Bolivia? Peru is correct. Do you recognize this place? It's in the Chile. Do you recognize this place? Australia. Guess the country. It's Mount Rushmore in United States. Jordan, Egypt, or Saudi Arabia? Jordan. Qatar, Saudi Arabia, or UAE? UAE is right. Guess the country. Italy, Greece, or France? It's in the Italy. Good job. Greece is correct. Germany, Australia, or Switzerland? It's Neuschwanstein Castle in Germany. Do you recognize this place? Sagrada Familia in Spain. It's Mexico. Germany, Austria, or Belgium? Germany is correct. Cambodia. Iran, Turkey, or Iraq? It's Blue Mosque in the Turkey. Option B, India. United States, Canada, or UK? United States. CN Tower in Canada. Do you recognize this place? Alhambra in Spain. It's in Russia. Well done. Scotland, England, or Ireland? Option B, England. Turkey is correct. Israel, Jordan, or Egypt? Israel. Guess the country. Tokyo Tower in Japan. Sri Lanka, India, or Nepal? India is correct. Russia, well done. It's Mount Fuji in Japan. China, Japan, or Taiwan? China. South Africa. Do you recognize this place? United States. Guess the country. It's Singapore. It's Bagan temples in Myanmar. Do you recognize this place? Belgium. United States, UK, or Canada? United States. France is correct. Ajanta Caves in India. Ireland, Scotland, or England? Scotland. Belgium. Do you recognize this place? It's Giza Pyramid in Egypt. Portugal is correct. France, Italy, or Germany? France. Do you recognize this place? Portugal is correct. Guess the country. India is correct. Last but not the least, Cambodia is right. Thank you for participating in today's challenge. If you like this video, remember to press subscribe button and turn on notification. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.